What's up, guys? Welcome to this video. I will be giving you a technical analysis of the ULTRON coin, where I think the ULTRON coin price is going to head to in the coming weeks and coming days. So guys, if you love this content, make sure to give us a thumbs up and also subscribe to the YouTube channel and share with your team members as well. Guys, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's head over to the chart. Now, before I proceed, I want to let you understand that the ULTRON project is a crypto project that got launched, a few months ago, and got listed on PancakeSwap and also on the ultronswap and the whole rest of them a couple of weeks and days ago. And also there is the Mavie platform, which is a separate company. They are both separate companies with different management teams. All right, the Mavie platform are those that are responsible in promoting the ULTRON project. Now, the ULTRON project is a crypto project that they are building their own. They have their own blockchain, all right. And to get in, for you to have the networking benefits, you need to get into ULTRON through the Mavie platform. So the benefit of you getting into the ULTRON platform through Mavie is that if you tell people about this ULTRON project, you also get to get on your 10% bonuses of any amount of coins that they buy and stake through the Mavie platform. So they are two different and separate projects companies. So make sure to understand that. You can also check the playlist ULTRON series and get to understand the difference between the ULTRON and the Mavie platform, and also how to get involved. All right, so guys, that is a clarification I want you guys to know before we proceed. Now, this is the chart of the ULTRON coin price. All right, recently it got listed on coinmarketcap and also on coingecko, and the price has been doing absolutely great. And in this video, I want to walk you through where I think the price is going to go to, all right, in the coming days or in the coming weeks. So if we pull out a line right here, all right, so we pull out a line just here, because as you can see, we are having this resistance area, okay, somewhere around 3.1 actually. Then we now have this higher lows where we see the push up. So what this simply means is that we are kind of seeing more people buying this coin. Okay, that's why you see that each time we hit this resistance, we come down here, we hit a resistance, we don't come down to the previous lows, we just stop here and try to keep going up. So basically what I'm seeing is that we've created this kind of ascending triangle. Okay, we're creating this kind of ascending triangle, and this type of pattern basically is going to shoot it up, the price up, and that's just it. The volume is still fluctuating because it's a new coin, it's just got listed, and I'm still getting a lot of exposure. But compared to similar projects, it's actually doing very well. It's just actually doing very well, and more investors are getting involved, and a lot of partnerships also coming, and the NFT part will be launched in a couple of weeks from now, and this are going to propel the price higher. So, but in the meantime, where I think the price is going to, if we break this 3.1 resistance right here, 0.031 resistance, all right, I think we are going to go a lot higher to this. Okay, in the short term, my target price is going to be 0.38. So this is basically where I think. So in the meantime, we're going to continue inside this triangle. Then we'll see a shoot above this area, maybe a little bit of retest this resistance now, which will now become a support. Then we'll continue going upward. So this is basically what I'm looking at. Okay, But if we break down here, then we might retest these levels, which is around 0.26. So, but I don't see this. I don't see this happening. I don't see this happening because of the partnerships and the whole lot of new things that's being introduced. Okay, so up is where I see this coin going. So, guys, if you are yet to get this coin, just check some of our previous video about the Mavie platform and get to see how you can get involved and sign up. The minimum is just 100 USDT, and you get a lot of benefits. You have access to generational bonuses, and those USDT, they are withdrawable. Okay, I also have videos where I did live withdrawals on on the Mavie platform. So guys, this is just a quick update on what I think the price of ULX is going to be in the coming days. So guys, please make sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates. Thank you very much, and have a lovely day ahead. Peace out.